Welcome back to our channel. So today we have some slime. Show it to the floor. Oh, sorry. Just alright, thank you. Do that. Yeah, okay. So we just put a little bit of shaving cream in it to make
really
it
sticky though.
a bit sticky. So,
Oh my.
oh my god, my one.
It doesn't stick to each other. Okay,
Doesn't
so
stick to itself.
we put baby cream,
Baby powder.
shaving cream,
Baby powder.
baby powder, and it made it not stick to each other. So now every time you do that, all slime sticks to your hand and it doesn't stick to the slime. So it's kind of a fail when we did that. We thought it was a really good idea. Now this we were like, oh my god. So shaving cream. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing, is showing you guys our slime.
And as well, wait till the end so then you can see us open this. Oops.
Oops. Did you see that kid? It's not really water.
I'm going to move this out of the way. I might have put way too much in.
And now going to close this. This is doing it. Okay, guys.
I'm really think you are a bit off your ring.
Can we wait for 5 minutes for it to cool down?
Yeah, you're doing big. Right, we'll have Sophia. Sophia there, that'll be all. Get them if you want it.
Mine's okay now. I need to wash my hands.
But you have to help me clean the shaving cream off.
What are you drinking? You know? There's that orange juice as well somewhere.
Okay, guys, so.
We're gonna go and eat, and then we will.
Okay, so move out the video now, and then we'll be out the video right now. And when she's got out the video, we're gonna walk straight back in, and we've already eaten. So yeah, we're not gonna touch anything when doing this. Okay, guys. So if you don't know what this is, it's like a stress ball.
Come in just a minute.
And the slime comes out because there's slime on the inside, as you guys can see. So we're going to pop it open and get all the slime out. We're going to put some shaving cream in if it's sticky, some baby powder in if it's sticky, and some shaving cream. Stand there. We're going to walk straight back in. There you go, guys. You probably do know because my slime's gone like really far down.
And my slime isn't here where I left it. So, oh yeah, it's definitely gone more. Like it's sticking to itself more. Now, like, it's a little stretch here. I don't really recommend putting baby powder in, but if it is sticky, I recommend it. And then just put a little bit of shaving cream, and then you're good to go. Only if it's like really bad sticky. Like if it's a bit sticky, I wouldn't. 'Cause you're just gonna ruin your slime, guys. We couldn't even play with ours, and that's why we did it. Yeah, I looked up what can we put in slime that is sticky, and it will tell you. And I actually found a video where she put baby powder in. So like, why not try that? So
Get on.
Yeah.
No, you're talking here. About anything.
Okay, so I'm just like mixing it in. I don't mix it in like that. As you guys can see, I go pulling it and it goes mixing in itself. I just mix it in with one finger, go kneading it. See, right now I've got sugar cream on me, but then at the end I just mix it. So now I just like pick it up. You know, guys, that made it. Okay, so if your slime looks like this after you've put shaving cream in, that's okay. It will come straight off your hands. It's just because the shaving cream makes the slime stick to each other. Well, a little bit, and it makes it fluffy. See, a little bit, because look, still, mine doesn't stick. Look, look. I mean, after a while it doesn't, but first it does. There you go, guys. Perfect. Well, a little bit perfect, not a lot. So I don't think you can see the glitter in here, but we have got to do the guys here. Glitter. Okay, yeah, we have got loads of glitter. See? What the? Mine doesn't do that. Hell. Look, I can even squeeze it. Okay. Yours is way fluffier. Look at the different colours. I don't know, guys, if you could like see the shaving cream.
You look that thing here when you went down. What will you? Eh?
There we go, guys. I didn't get anything stuck to me on that one.
Right, listen. Are you having your t-shirt washed here? Or?
No, at home.
Right, well, look, anyway, I can't have a lead in it.
Okay. Do you want some Coke?
No.
What?
No.
This is my sister. So what slime is it? It's still fluffy slime. Still. I guess so, yeah.
There's no shaving cream.
What, they're gonna let you that?
No, it's fine.
It's yours? Oh.
Should order it from the house in the school.
It's yellow. I've seen this. I've cut mine open before. Right, guys. So when we've got our certain fix, we're gonna do an ASMR. Maybe if we have time, no? If we have time.
Now, where's the toothpick?
Did you make this?
Where's the toothpick?
Or did you buy it? It's cool. Yeah, it is. Does it stick still? Yeah, I guess. You can tell by your hands. Sophia, if you're going to play with it outside the video. I'm not in the video. Okay guys, so now we've got like loads of slime. Way more than what we did anyway. Is there... Right guys, so we're going to have to like help each other out. Right, we're going to have to like square it like this. Are you going to cut this open? If you have scissors. So it comes out if you have it upwards, don't come out if you have it sideways. Here, let me hold it down. No, it's okay. If you want, I can just hold it here. Is it sticky when you get it out of the tub? Then do you want me to hold it down for you? Are you going to cut this open? We don't know, Sophia. So that's one fact. We can't put shaving cream in that. There's none left. At least we got it fluffy. No. I'll tell my mum to buy some. Yeah. Tell your mum to buy some, but we don't use shaving cream. So they're like, why do you want that? And she said, you're not gonna make slime. No, just say I want it to, you know how we get everything preparado, like for when I want to shave and stuff like that. We'll say, can I get some right now, please? Okay. I don't know. Zed, do you want some? Do it in the middle so it's easy to get some too. Now look at it. Is it you that like? Do you want them? And then I'll move it back here and then tell me who wants any. It's just that that's got loads of vegetables. So. Wait, do this. Every time it goes, she'll think, why are you taking the shaving cream up to Granddad's?
Don't just put it in your bag. Just say, oh, Mum, I forgot something to brush my teeth. And then
Yeah, but and then when I want to shave, she'll go, oh, it's in the cupboard, and then she goes in and she's like, where is it?
we won't use it all.
Shake it. Shake it.
I'm going to put mine away and I'm going to clean up the floor. And then I'm going to open that.
Okay, so that's enough Fifi, stop. Okay, so that was this purple slime. Hope you guys like the purple slime. Now we're going to go into the yellow one. Bring it over here, Sophia.
Yeah, I know. But is it the easiest way? Use this bit. Leave it there because it's pause the video a minute. So I am just cleaning up the floor.
And then she's going to open this.
As you can see, we've got glitter. I don't think the video can see it. Go get some more paper, but wet.
Adriana,
Yeah?
are you sure you don't have your t-shirts washed again so then you don't forget them?
Sure.
Adriana, Sophia,
I'm sure.
your mother doesn't mind at all. But you're not leaving them to forget them here. Have you heard, Sophia?
Yeah. It's okay. We'll
So don't make it up. I need to all that mark on that floor, I better disappear.
It does. We'll come back when it's done. Okay guys, so just mopped up the floor. We'll take off on it. Yeah. So bring the thing. So, okay guys. Okay, so here's the ball. I'm gonna cut the netting. As you can see. Okay, I think that's enough. And now take it out, just like this. Okay, and now I need to cut this off. And can I cut it open to squeeze this line? No, I want to do that. So I want to do it in the net. I don't care. It feels so nice without the. Okay, so this is. I brought it up, so. Appreciate. And it goes. Okay, right. So here's here it is. I'm just gonna. I don't know what you're doing. Sit down, you know. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this bit.
We should do it in a tub, Fifi.
No.
Fifi, go and get the... Yeah, because if it's in the floor, you don't know what it's going to be like.
I know. I've cut it open.
I know,
Okay,
but it was
go.
really
You know
sticky.
that thingy. Go
in our
in our
bedroom and get
bedroom.
the board.
Yeah.
Can I feel it like that?
Alright. Okay. Right. So then they can't see. Okay, so this is. So Fifi, bring the camera. Appreciate it. Okay. Now we're just going to. I don't know where to cut it.
Right, take all the slime away.
Okay,
Put it
wait,
there.
wait.
Turn it upside down. Don't do it there because it's not thick enough. You should do it the
Am I showing the
opposite
camera?
end.
Yeah. Okay, so here we go. You ready? I am.
Cut that off.
Oh my god, wait. Wait. It's kind of sloppy slime, I've seen it. Ew!
That's kind of farting slime. Ew. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn the thing inside out. Is it sticky? Oh my god, this is great slime. Is it? And it won't stick.
Put shaving cream in it. Have a look.
No, don't. So then you just ruin it. Like what happened last time. And you can keep that.
Guys, so look.
Leave it. Let me. Was that the slime that you were talking about?
See, you're not showing. There you go.
It sounds so nice.
Oh my god.
Now you can put it on the floor. And you can put food colour in it, right? I mean colour in it. So cool. I'm gonna put it on the floor.
We can like play with this stuff. Like we could like one of us like put it all in here. Do it. Put it all in here.
No, wait.
Shh. Shh, shh. Let me try poking it.
Could I try? To be, you're not showing it at all.
I was.
No, you wasn't. Now let Fifi do it.
Make a bubble with.
Now let Fifi do it. Remember try and get it all done. It was there.
Let's have a look if you guys can see this. I'm gonna try and make a bubble.
It doesn't stretch that. Slime doesn't stretch.
Guys, I made a bubble. Let's have a look. Cool.
I'm gonna try and get another one and see if it's the same colour. Alright, put it back there. Okay, now.
Okay, guys, so this was quite fun.
Or you can mix it. So if you want
Fifi, is it? What I want to do.
Was that the slime that you
Yeah, they're
talking about?
So they just tell me.
The slime that you said that was going to be for me, you said I brought some slime up for you.
It was gonna be for you. Right, put it in here.
Why?
Because then we can like go playing with it. Look, let me show you. And then everyone can like go squeezing it out because that's really fun. Do it.
No, I don't want to do that. And that's the wrong side, Adriana. Then you'll get both sides sticky.
What are you talking about? That's how it was.
No, it was from the other side. It was like that.
I don't know. And we could even do it with
So is that your
and then
slime?
we could do that and make it all come out.
How clear it is. Fifi, do you want that purple one? It's here.
Put it
Oh,
in
there you
here.
go.
Have a look.
No.
Can I have this then?
Yeah. Could I play with it now? But I'm just going to play with it in the tub because is it sticky? Only a little bit. Do you want a tub for that? Alright, put a noise on here. I'm gonna use this tile here.
This is like such a crazy idea. So guys, what I'm doing, if you don't know, is probably do is get in a bit of my own slime. This slime me and my cousin made. What I'm doing is breaking it, putting it on the floor. Oh, no. Anyway, better to put it on here. So just take it off your fingernail.
It's bouncing all the way to the camera.
As you can see, I'm just taking it off. Now what I'm going to do is turn it inside out. Look at it, it looks like a balloon.
Okay, done.
said it was only a bit sticky.
It is only a bit sticky.
Oh God.
Yeah, that happens to me. Do you think we can get it off, Sophia? Look at this, Jenna.
It looks like a yellow cloud.
Looks like yellow crystal, not cloud. This could be such an ASMR.
Now that's going to be your slime forever. Because my slime like that went hard. It was like that. I cut it open and it went hard. Should I bring a little tub up for you for that slime?
For it.
And it'll dry up if you don't have a lid for it.
Guys, let's have a look at this. I've put the slime in here. I'm gonna do it. Look how satisfying that is. It's like popping a pimple. And if it doesn't all come out, you can turn it inside out and take it all out and like rinse it with water and everything. Look at that, Jenna. Fifi. Oh, you missed it.
Yeah, I saw it
Yeah,
at
I
the
saw
first one. I saw the first one.
And it just comes straight off because it's rubber. See? Okay, guys, so this was so good idea. Such a good idea. Yeah, so good idea. Yeah, I meant to say that.
I thought you said this has been a good video.
What?
I don't know.
Okay, guys, and then if you want to clean the inside, just stick a finger in. And like go taking it off like if it was your finger. So it comes like straight off.
Ooh. So what tub are you gonna use?
One of Nana's probably.
I was gonna bring a little tub up.
Okay, so Nana's got a lot of tubs that she can breathe out me. Look at the glitter that's in here. Oh, because of the slime. I didn't realise.
It's just like, Izzy's just like, duh.
It looks like an astronaut's head.
If you guys didn't see the video where these two first got this slime.
Oh my god, we've tried so many things with this slime. Now we have. I'm trying to doing this. No, I'm joking. We put so many things in it. I have no idea what's in it actually. We've put glue, obviously. To make slime, we've done all that. We've done then glue, we put detergent, baby
Then you put
powder, shaving cream, gel shaving cream,
Don't be using any of that glue gel, because I have no more.
No, it was from my house. Because my dad uses it to shave. What else? Glitter, paint. What else?
Your dad shaves?
Glue. Every man does.
Daddy doesn't.
Yeah, he does. Yeah, he does. Shaves his beard.
No, I mean like shaves like Granddad does.
He shaves his beard.
With a shaver? No.
Yeah.
Not with one of them that he goes like that.
No, not with like that.
No,
my
he
dad
has
uses an
electric.
electric
Yeah,
one. So does my dad.
Why have you got shaving cream? And Daddy doesn't use shaving cream.
Yeah, but Matt does. Some men do. Some men don't. Oh my god, Sophia.
What? I've been getting it off. I had all of that.
And then guys, you just take it inside out, put it in there.
And all you can see in the camera is just my hand going everywhere. If you're wondering what that is, that's my
Imagine
hand.
my head going everywhere. Look at guys, it looks like an astronaut's head. See, that's you can tell where Sophia did it. Sophia, look.
And here it goes inwards. Look.
You can just see like a yellow ball going past
Did
in
Fabiana
the
sleep?
camera.
Look.
Adana, did you forget? Tomorrow Sienna's sleeping.
I know.
I forgot. Until Mommy told me last night.
Oh my god, there's look. Look. Did you see it?
This is jiggly slime, look. Did you see that? Look, you ready, Adana?
It splatters.
No, it doesn't. It jiggles.
Look, is it?
Oh, look, you ready?
Look, is it?
Does it
Does
stick?
it look?
No.